This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the controller and removing the batteries. This prevents shorting and keeps you safe. Next, remove the 3 hidden screws using a T8 security driver, then separate the back shell with a plastic pry tool, slowly so tabs don't break. Once open, set the shell aside and identify the right bumper assembly and the small springs beneath. Make sure to lay parts in order, because reassembly depends on orientation and exact screw placement for reliable function. You now inspect the bumper switch and contact board. Look for debris, corroded pads, or a cracked plastic actuator. If contacts are dirty, clean with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then dry thoroughly. Do not flood the board. If the plastic actuator or spring is damaged, replace it or carefully reshape it with tweezers. The spring must sit squarely under the bumper. Once reassembled temporarily, press the bumper to confirm a crisp tactile click before closing up. You finish by reseating any ribbon cables and aligning the shell tabs. Hand tighten screws in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping the housing. Once closed, reinstall batteries and connect to the console, then test the right bumper in the Xbox controller settings and in a game to confirm responsiveness. If it feels mushy or intermittent, reopen and verify spring placement and contact seating, or swap in a replacement switch. Poor solder joints or misaligned parts are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.